I don't think there was one particular story or two or three. There were dozens that stayed with me, and then they all merged and became this blurry mirage of a relentless kind of pattern of cyclical institutional deprivation. एंड एक पैशन फटीग होता है ना, कंपैशन फटीग. अगर रोज़ाना की बुनियाद पे आप दर्जनों औरतों की कहानियाँ सुन रहे हैं तो you get really affected, but then you just take it in your stride. But it stayed with me, and I started volunteering in the Karachi Women Prison in my early 20s. And the stories of the very aged women that had spent a lifetime in prison didn't hit me as much as the story of the younger ones that I could resonate with, because I had this guilt. I'm going home. I'm continuing with studies abroad. I'm eating fancy food in a restaurant. I have so much, and I have freedom and liberty, right? And all these women that I saw that were very young, they were sentenced to long terms imprisonment, some life imprisonment without any hope. But the way they would meet me with kindness and their smiles, I don't think anyone has been that generous with me in the outside world. So their kindness, their unconditional, non-transactional kindness also played a part in making me think that I don't want to do this as a side gig. I want to do this with my all. And these women had lost everything. Their families cut off from them. एक honor का मामला बन जाता है ना, कि बुरा नाम पूरे ख़ानदान का हो गया, जेल औरत चली गई, ख़राब हो गई, कोर्ट कचहरी जा रही है, पुलिस गाड़ियों में आगे पीछे हो रही है. They lose their children, their husbands, sometimes they're imprisoned. तो वो अगर फैमिली पैसे जोड़ लेती है तो वो आदमी को रिहा कराती है, औरत का तो छोड़ दो, दूसरी शादी कर लेता है, बच्चे छूट जाते हैं. They lose everything and they have so much hope. But why are they losing everything? They lose everything simply because they don't have the resources to engage someone to effectively be their voice in our colonial system. And so, those things have really stayed with me. And why I do this is extremely selfish. It's extremely selfish. I do this so that I can reconcile this privilege of my birth. I can, reconcile this privilege and the resources, the tools, the opportunities I have. And of course, there is a real high in being a part of something that is much bigger than your own life, your own personal life.